Thank you for inviting me back to present to this committee. I have no conflicts of interest. My name is David Berger. I'm a board-certified primary care pediatrician in Tampa, Florida. I specialize in preconception, pregnancy, and infant wellness, and I am a patient vaccine consultant. I also serve as an associate professor at the University of South Florida College of Nursing, and the senior medical advisor of the Vaccine Considerations Project. Before I start my presentation, I again want to express significant frustration with this process, which required us to submit slides and written comments before the vaccine data was available to the public. If the FDA truly values our input, it would give us sufficient time to review the data. My comments today are about the use of COVID-19 vaccines in pregnant women and people of childbearing age. No studies on pregnant women have been published. Americans are asking if they should get a vaccine if pregnant or trying to conceive. Each will weigh the options and needs more information, and we must be open and honest with them about what is known and what is not known. Morbidity associated with COVID-19 in pregnant women has been established, with increased ICU admissions, preterm births, and admissions to neonatal ICU. Ongoing hesitancy relative to vaccines continue. In a recent survey, at least 1/3 of people ages 18 to 50 say they would probably or definitely not take a vaccine even if determined to be safe and free of charge. Multiple polls also show women are more likely to have vaccine hesitancy than men. Therefore, large numbers of women of childbearing age have vaccine hesitancy. Hesitancy and confusion has likely increased due to conflicting statements from various organizations. We have learned that adenoviral vector DNA vaccines, such as this one, enters the nucleus where the human DNA resides. Messenger RNA vaccines do not enter the nucleus. This difference has led to questions about whether the vaccine could interfere with pregnancy, especially from conception through early fetal development. Upon finally being able to review the data 2 days ago, and with only 8 pregnant women included in the trials, safety and effectiveness conclusion cannot be made about this vaccine and pregnancy. After researching this issue over the past 2 weeks with my research team, we could find no medical research or scientific opinion addressing whether a human embryo could be negatively impacted by this type of vaccine. I did locate a CDC article showing adenovirus can enter sperm, and I found one mouse study indicating adenovirus vector DNA does not show up in the DNA of the mouse offspring. Yesterday, a vaccine researcher I spoke with suggested that the amount of vaccine particles injected into the arm that reaches the testicles or uterus may not be enough to be consequential. As per the agency's mission statement, the FDA is responsible for protecting the public health by ensuring the safety, efficacy, and security of human drugs. Applying this directive to the COVID-19 vaccines and people of childbearing age, I believe the FDA has a responsibility to proceed with caution as more data is gathered. However, the FDA decides to proceed, we can empower people by providing the information necessary to weigh the benefits and risks of taking a vaccine. Such decisions are very personal, and their decisions should be respected. Transparency on the part of the manufacturers and on government needs to be better. It should not be so hard to find information. In the end, it all comes down to informed consent, which by definition means individuals must be informed as well as they possibly can be so they can consent to taking or not taking the vaccine. The Vaccine Considerations Project is building a repository of information related to vaccine safety concerns and efficacy. We will continue to tackle the issues of most concern to the public and share whatever information we find. Please reach out to us if you wish to join our endeavor. Thank you.